Why watch a 10-minute video when you can make a white wine vinaigrette in just 2? Let's get started. For this recipe, you can use a food processor or a blender. One of the two will work great. Yes, you could shake everything in a jar, but the difference is we're gonna get a creamy, rich dressing that you're gonna love. So the first thing we're gonna do is take a fresh garlic clove. We're gonna add it in our food processor. To the garlic, I'm gonna add Dijon Mustard. Dijon Mustard is a staple in vinaigrettes, so we're gonna add that in the food processor. It gives it a thicker and richer consistency. White wine vinegar, that's what we're using here today. The acidity also comes from lemon juice. We're gonna add that. And to cut it all down, I'm adding a little bit of honey, make it sweet, balance out the acidity of the vinegar and the lemon juice. We're also gonna add some salt and freshly ground pepper. If YouTube videos that take 2 minutes versus 10 are your kind of thing for easy, simple recipes, hit that red subscribe button. I share new ones every single week. All right, so now that everything's in there, we're gonna turn it on and give it a go. What this is doing is getting our garlic nice and smooth into the other ingredients. Now you notice that I blended everything before adding the olive oil. The olive oil is my last ingredient in there because I'm gonna add it slowly through the top. If your blender has a venting hole, or just take off the lid to add the olive oil, that's gonna give your salad dressing that rich, creamy consistency that you love from a restaurant. We've made vinaigrette, friends. Now I usually store it in a, well, this was a jelly jar, but in a jar in the refrigerator for up to a week, so you can drizzle it over your salads anytime you need it. And that's it, friends. You've made a vinaigrette. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button, leave a comment, share, tell me how you use it. See you next time.